same time, the team that sunk the constitutional review process is asking the Supreme Court to endorse the rejection of the process. The activists who scuttled BBI are asking the Supreme Court to uphold the Court of Appeal verdict that declared the constitutional review process unconstitutional. They want the Supreme Court bench to stand firm against any executive machinations to breathe life back into the process. Let's get more from our very own Sam Ogina.
Day 2 of the BBI hearing at the Supreme Court served as a launchpad for those opposed to the constitutional review process to attempt a final push to sink the exercise in its entirety. Keen to secure a second blow to the review process, the anti-BBI team urged the 7-judge Supreme Court bench to stand firm and uphold the Court of Appeal verdict. The judges were asked to be vigilant and steadfast from the executive's machination, pushing for the resuscitation of the BBI Constitution Amendment Bill.
You're better off dying standing than living kneeling. Do not be forced to kneel to the caprice and the oppression of those who find the Constitution as an inconvenience.
The Court of Appeal declared the BBI constitutional review process as unconstitutional, null and void. President Uhuru Kenyatta, through his lawyer, stood firm, saying he enjoys absolute immunity. Through Advocate Waweru Gatonye, the president said he was shielded from any legal proceedings to allow him execute his mandate without distractions.
If it were that it was allowed for every Tom, Dick and Harry to file suits against the president, it would distract him from performing the more important duties for running the state.
A position that was immediately challenged.
You can always sue the Attorney General through judicial review procedure for actions done by the president in the name of the government. If the president is involved in gross violation of the laws of the state, there is that possibility of initiating impeachment proceedings against the president.
The president is not the king. The president of Kenya is not a pharaoh. The president is a servant of the people of Kenya. He exercises delegate executive power, and he must be brought to check if he veers off.
The president's role in the referendum drive came into sharp focus, with the bench backing proponents of the review exercise into a corner.
Did President Uhuru Kenyatta initiate this popular initiative, or another entity post his own actions initiated the popular initiative?
One process that led to the setting up of the BBI task force and the steering committee, as well as the fact that members and staff there use remuneration from public funds.
It was an invitation to consider whether there were constitutional changes that would be necessary if one was pursuing a measure towards uniting the country. And it is from both reports then that particular recommendations were made to say that, yes, there are constitutional amendments that we can make that would help in securing national unity. And the matter ended there after the president received both reports. It is the BBI National Secretariat that has described itself as an alliance of political actors that then took up and decided to pursue those constitutional amendments by way of a popular initiative.
The hearing concludes on Thursday before the Supreme Court bench retreats to write its verdict. Sam Ogina, Citizen TV, Nairobi.